So tonight on our Route 66 adventure, we are staying at the El Rancho Hotel in Gallup, New Mexico. So when you stay here, every room has a celebrity name on the door, and that supposedly is the room that they stayed in. So this is just the double room, and we ended up getting Lucille Ball, which is the one I wanted, so it's really cool. And so this hotel is known as the Celebrity Hotel because back in the day, all the celebrities used to stay here. So you have John Wayne, Lucille Ball, Ronald Reagan, Paul McCartney, a bunch of people have stayed here before. So I'm really excited to get this room. Now I'm going to show you around. So we got the double beds, and to your left is the bathroom, which is little tiny. You've got this desk so you can sit and write your important thoughts. Nice sized TV, coffee maker, and got a window. So I'm super excited to be able to stay here. This is one of the original Route 66 hotels, which I wanted to do on this trip, and this is supposed to be one of the best ones to stay at as far as cleanliness. And I think I paid $90 a night for this. Not bad at all, I think, for a hotel. So let's go look around more. Ronald Reagan presidential suite, but also Paul McCartney stayed in here, more importantly.
Way more importantly.
So the lobby of the El Rancho Hotel is decorated beautifully. You have all of these antique items which really add to the experience. So the upstairs of the hotel has different photos that are autographed by celebrities who have stayed here or probably visited when taping Western movies back in the day.